Hello, my name is Sushanta Majumder. I'm a consulting partner with Tata Consultancy Services. I work very closely with our energy customers, helping them, guiding them in their strategic journey on energy transition using technology and innovation. Tata Consultancy Services is a technology and service provider. It serves customers all across industry segment, be it energy and utilities or manufacturing or banking and financial and so many other industry segments. It provides consultancy and advisory services as well as technology solution development, deployment and managing of it. This is a very pertinent question. I'll break it into two parts. So why model drift occurs and how to address it. Well, you see, when an AI system is developed, it's based on certain assumptions of the system that is going to behave in certain way. Now, these assumptions, even if it is very comprehensive, but sometimes you may miss out certain behaviors or there may be some new emergent behaviors in the environment. How we can make the AI system smart enough to adapt to these new emergent behaviors? Well, there are certain ways you can address this. First of all, continuously monitoring all the assumptions, are they still valid or not, right? Then you have all the input data coming, get all the model output data and validate the model accuracy based on certain model accuracy metrics. The third thing is how we can build your MLOps or AIOps pipeline, building your curated data, getting it ready automatically, then retrain the model as and when required, deploy it online. And then third thing is, and the last thing is in fact, how we can bring more trust in the AI system. So this is connected with my previous answer. So first of all, harsh and hazardous environment is not an issue for the AI system as long as it's well represented while building the AI system, right? So the problem occurs when certain behavior of the harsh and hazardous environment has not been considered while building the model. So in that case, the model doesn't know how to act upon it, or it acts in certain way that is not expected, right? So how to address these kind of situations? There are again, certain things that can be put in place. Say for example, I was talking about the trustworthiness, right? How we can build the model more trustworthy and responsible, right? Bringing more explainability in the outcome of the model, and of course transparency in the reasoning, right? So second thing is basically how we can make the model more robust in terms of making the decision making, how we can put in policies and the guardrails on its behavior, and of course keeping a human always in the loop for the AI. And in certain critical situations, you should always validate the AI actions through some high fidelity simulators or so as to say digital twin. I would say this is a very perfect platform for networking and talking to so many industry partners, understanding their the challenges that they're facing in their own journey, and how solution providers or we can talk to them and share some ideas, discuss something which can be productive for all of us.